Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace a battery on this key fob. This is out of a Jaguar, but Land Rover, Range Rover also have a very similar key fob. So for this specific fob, you don't need any tools, you just need one replacement battery. This takes a 2032, and you can get these on Amazon fairly inexpensive, and there's a link below in the description. I'll take you straight there. Okay, so like I say, you don't need any tools, you just need to first remove this key, and you do that by pushing this button and pulling that out. So push this, just pull out like that. Now once you have that out, you can place that key right in this little slot right here. Kind of pop that open like that. And then I like to stick my key right there, and you just pry that up. Now this is seated in here, and it's a little bit difficult to pull up, but it's not too bad. Okay, so you can take your key right here and push out the old battery, or if you have a small screwdriver or something like that, put that in there. Okay, and you can see right here it says minus down, so plus side goes up. Put that in there, and then just line this up like so. Give it a good squeeze. That goes in there. You're back in action. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.